Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be seeing how to write an algorithm and to draw a flowchart to print numbers from 1 to n. So the first step remains the same. The first step is to start the algorithm. Second step is to input the numbers. So input numbers. The third step is to increment it. For that we'll have to put an variable I which is equal to 1. The fourth step is if I is less than or equal to n, then go to step 5, which is the next step in order to print it. Or even the other way can be done. You can first write here print and then change it to the other way. So go to step 5, else go to the last step, which is supposed to be stop. Now we have to print the statement. The next step is to increment it, which is I is equal to I plus 1. And the last step is to stop. Okay, so now let's see how to draw the flowchart. The first step here is to start. The next step is to input the number. The symbols have a specific meaning. For that, please check out my one-shot video. The next step is I is equal to 1, which is initialization. So that is also a sort of input. The next step is the decision making. So if I is less than or equal to n, which is basically the number, we can consider this as n. Okay, if it is true, if it is yes, then go to step 5, which is print I. Okay, so we have to print I. Okay, the next step, else go to step 7. We'll do it later on. Sixth step is I is equal to I plus 1. If it is a no, then we have to increment it again. And then it comes to an end, which is stop. So this is how to print numbers from 1 to n. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and do comment up. Thank you.